Our boss just left for a business trip and he forgot to hide the keys to his brand new daily. There's a massive car show that we want to attend to in just a few days. So we decided we're gonna go behind his back and do some crazy performance mods. Then we're gonna completely transform the inside and make it a complete show car thanks to B&B Auto House. Fonzie has no idea we're doing this, so we don't have much time. Can we pull this off in just a few days without the boss finding out, or are we all gonna lose our jobs? As you guys can tell, the boss is off grid for 10 days. So we have 10 days to grab his daily car and transform it into a show car. We've been hounding him for a show car for months and months and months. So we've taken matters into our own hand and decided to turn his daily into the show car for the workshop. So because I'm house sitting for him, I was able to grab the car straight from his garage and bring it into the shop for the boys to see what they can do. But we're gonna give it a shot. We're gonna see if we can get this car completed and finished by next Monday. We need to have the head and cam done because it is going to go to B&B, but they've just let us know that they want the whole car on Monday to complete it. So that makes it a bit more hard. The car's current state, manifold off. We've got the boys here doing another car. We're gonna have both cars done by the end of the week. So we will see if we can get it done in time. It's probably a 50-50 chance if we can actually get it done, but we'll see how we go. I think he's confident.
Confident,
100%. 100%.
Like I said, the only way it's not getting done is if we don't have parts, and we've got parts. So.
These mechanics are getting too cocky nowadays. We have also decided that we need new rims for the car, so we've grabbed the boss's work card and decided to see what we can do. If you guys have any idea of what rims we should put on the car, drop it in the comments. Boys, what rims? What rims should we put on?
GTSR.
GTSR?
GTSR.
GTSR.
Yeah. It would just look very nice in my opinion.
I'm gonna say Rapiers will look good. Maybe all black Simmons, not sure yet, but Walkies. All right guys, here we have most of the parts that we will be fitting to the car. We don't have the stall converter. Hopefully that is going to arrive Thursday so we can put it in on Thursday, fingers crossed. So here we have the Ramjet 3 OTR with brass inserts and the largest air filter area on the market. We also have the Ramjet triple step headers and cats, which have been selling out across Australia, starting out with 1.75 inch, stepping to 1.78 inch, and then 2 inch and a 3.5 inch outlet. They have been, one of the most popular headers in Australia at the moment. So for your VE, VF Commodore. Then we have the Chopper Reed camshaft, which is our newest camshaft. We haven't released a camshaft in a very long time, and Fonzie decided to release the Chopper Reed. And yeah, like the name suggests, it's got a lot of chop. We then have the PSI valve springs, which work really well with our camshafts. DoD delete kit, which is going to be needed because it is an L77 motor. What else do we have here? A Mellings 10295 oil pump, head gaskets over here, ASP spark plug leads, which we've actually sold out of every single color but green. So we do have green in stock, guys, if you want to buy some. Then we have the Cloys billet timing chain, which is the preferred timing chain that we use. Lifters, spark plugs. Yeah, you guys, you can get all of this on our online store, and these are the parts that we will be fitting to the car, and you can buy them straight on ASP's website. All right, we got Nick pulling off the other head now. If you can figure out how it comes off, mate. Good mechanic here.
Yeah.
Have you done a leak down on this motor yet?
We have. The results are just over here on the bench. So highest one was about 3. So cylinder 7 was 3, 6 and 8 were also 3, and all the way down to about 1%.
So on a motor, like what would you have that would be a bad leak down? Like what % would you see?
Anything around like the 12, 15 mark, you're pushing it.
Yep.
To be honest. Anything below 10 is fine.
Yeah. So this is pretty healthy.
Yeah, no, this is really good. Anything below 5 is Mickey, to be honest.
Oh boy, we might see some power.
Yeah, which for the amount of Ks that are on this car, I was actually quite surprised with the load
How many
count.
Ks?
230.
Damn.
Yeah.
So we got the choppery camshaft going in there now.
So it's already been oiled up. Choppery camshaft is in.
Like a glove, mate. Like a glove. So we think we got a plan for how we're going to get Fonzie to bass tune this without him knowing. So essentially we're going to tell him that a customer's car needs to get a wheel alignment and we need to get a bass tune put in for it to go to the wheel alignment. So that way he has no idea that he is bass tuning his own daily driver. All right guys, so I'm currently in the CNC machine shop and I'll show you guys the CNC machine. So yeah, CNC porting, all done in-house here at GM Motorsport and Australia Speed and Performance. So let's go check out these heads that the machine shop has prepared for us. So here is the version 3.5 CNC ported heads. Just showed you the machine running, and these heads are an updated design. So they've updated the valve seat design and they have been making some insane power results recently. So very happy with the new design. And as you can see, they've come out amazing. The polished ends on it as well. So hopefully we can extract some good power out of this head and cam combo. So we got Nick over here. He's going to be fitting the heads to the engine now. So Nick, what is the process of fitting these bad boys?
So pretty much we blow out all the head bolt holes, make sure there's nothing inside them. Then we clean the face of the head, we clean the deck, and then we sit the gasket on there. We organise the head bolts, we clean them, put a little bit of oil underneath the head of the bolt, just so it doesn't lock up when we go to torque them. So yeah, we pretty much put the head on, which I'll do now. Make sure your dowels are in there so that the head lines up. That's it, that head's on. And start putting some bolts in. As soon as you put the bolts in, try getting down as quick as you can because you don't want oil seeping between the head, the gasket and the block. Or otherwise you won't have a nice seal.